Welcome back to Mille, everyone. If you haven't seen part 1 of this adventure, make sure to check that out first. It's linked in the description below or at the end of this video. So here we go with part 2 of this trip. Snapped my tripod. The wind snapped my tripod. Oh, she's getting brutal.
Yeah.
Freaking wind snapped my tripod.
What's that?
Wind snapped my tripod.
Snapped it?
Yep.
Somebody take it! Grab the GoPro. I'll get the GoPro.
Oh, that's a big drift there.
Spinning or anything?
Not yet. Did you just see it go off?
What? No, I didn't see it go off.
Well, luckily this went up because right before I was reeling my pull up, I looked over here.
Oh yeah. Get him?
Yep.
Feel good?
Yep.
Closer, let's get closer. Come on, baby. Get your head up the hole. We got a snow over there. Come on, baby. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Is he on? Yes! There's another one.
Holy cats, dude. Look at that. Just a fluke. I was going to reel up my pole because I couldn't hardly take the weather anymore.
Wow. On the tip up.
A pig. Where is that thing? Way in there?
I can see the middle there.
There we go.
Whew, I am huffing and puffing. I ran for that camera.
Hey, here.
Okay, yeah, I can feel it.
I don't know if I got a flashlight.
Dunker again.
Yeah, baby.
Let me get out this.
Cold hands, man.
Yeah.
Oh, we are. This is definitely braving the elements right here.
Okay, here we go. There she is. Got her.
You got a tape measure just for fun?
Shoot, I don't. Let's put her on the tip up. Yep.
She looking full length of the tip up.
Even a little bit more.
Hey, pull her up. One more time.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's another beauty right there, man.
Yeah, these are all really good fish.
Nice work.
We're gonna take your time with that baby. Get her up right. She's gonna release back. Really nice. No air bladder. This one was a deeper one. 30 foot of water.
On the fathead?
Yep.
Can you see down the, like, once she goes?
Yeah, make sure she kicks off strong. Get her all the way in there if you can. I know that it's rough on the hands. But Got it all there? grab the light, hold it on her. There she goes.
So busy.
Yep.
We like, no, that's what it was.
Heck yeah.
Right on, brother.
Good job, man.
Thanks, let me take the tip up.
This is
I was
Dude,
just,
now you did it.
I was just reeling up my line because I'm like, everything is so froze, I can't
Yeah.
even hardly fish.
You did frickin' perfect bringing that one up. Taking the time.
Good job there.
oh
Yeah, that's how quick we wanted to get her back in the hole. We didn't even take a picture.
yeah. It is just brutal, man.
Yeah.
This is
Dude, but when they're
Guess
biting, they're biting.
I guess this is what it took to get them biting.
Yeah. I knew there was fish here. We questioned ourselves all day, but
You get a couple tulipy all day, and then
Yeah.
snowstorm rolls in, and bam, you get the one, and another one right after, and this one was an hour after
Yeah.
the last one probably.
Force yourself in the elements. Nice, man. That's 3, right?
yeah.
3.
hey,
Dude, thanks
Nice.
for coming to Mille.
Nice call. Stay in here.
I knew there was fish here. I knew they were gonna be big.
Oh.
Hooked up?
Yep.
Feel good?
Good runs.
Oh my goodness. I can't. Oh my goodness. There's a, yeah. Sorry, Alex, you might wake up from this one.
It took me to realize what was going on. I heard it
I
rattling, and it kind of second guessed me. I didn't even think it was
me
going.
too. I picked up my head. I'm like, someone's playing with it again. And then I'm like, wait. you got a player? You need players there? What's?
Yeah, I'll need a forceps here.
So what do we got?
20, 20, 27, right on the head.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I heard it, and it stopped. So I'm like, huh. I went down here, and it was just popping. That's all it was doing.
On the rattle wheel. That'll wake you up. I didn't hear it at all. I did not.
Yeah, make sure she goes down good.
But that's pretty cool coming out of the hole like that.
Yeah,
I love them dinosaur faces coming up on them.
Yeah.
PBs.
PBs. I told you, breaking PBs.
Alright, Ross is next.
There. That's what I like to see.
She'll go. She'll just let her get momentum away. Nice work, dude.
Good ears, because I didn't hear it. All I heard was hooked up, and I'm like, what?
I heard the first tick, and I just picked up my head. I'm like, oh, they're just playing with it. And then I put my head right back down.
Yeah, and it was just like, it did like one more rattle. I'm like,
That's weird, getting woke up out of a dead sleep like that.
Yeah, no kidding.
Nice. What do you got for, what is the rattle reel there?
Well, it's a tip up on the side of the house here, and you get it all set up. Fish takes it, wakes you up. It just rattles, and that's what woke Jake up here. And
You got her set about, how far off the bottom you setting them?
the bigger ones, this one's 2-3 feet.
Got your depth set with your marking there?
Mm-hmm.
And just a fathead on there, huh?
Just a fathead hooked through the back. Usually does the trick when they're out of shiners, that is.
Yeah, that's true. Sunday morning, I'm relaxed. Look at the generator. Just buried.
Thank goodness it kept burning it.
Yeah.
That was sitting out, so that all drifted. I mean, that's a foot and a half.
Yeah.
This was not here yesterday.
No.
See how bad it is. Not bad at all till we get to my other shacks.
Oh, really?
Then it's impassable. 3-foot drifts for a long time. I had to really struggle to leave and open up my door on my pickup to get out and dig.
Really?
Yeah.
nobody else has gone through.
Nobody else has gone through yet. I'm gonna call Barnacles, see if they got a time frame on getting out there.
Oh, and they're gonna plow.
Yeah. Good morning. How are you? Just curious if you guys have a time frame on when you'd like make it out to. Okay. Yeah, it's. All right, I appreciate it. It's just a certain section that's really bad. Otherwise, you can pretty much get through it all. But there's one section where she's 3 foot drifted. So. Alrighty, thank you very much. Bye. Well, boys, I think we should at least get everything packed. Well, if you guys wanted the full experience, you're kind of getting the full experience.
The journey.
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
That used to be a road yesterday. 2 lone shacks sitting out on the flat. How are those guys gonna get out of there?
I don't know, because that's even worse than what's this section.
Wow.
Lower the fuzz.
Just let off.
Okay, that's good. Oh. Yep.
That's how you get off Mille, Joe?
Not every time, but this time. Usually there's nice roads, but last weekend of it, so ain't quite the commodity. You gotta get out of this starting hole here. Oh boy, guys. whole lot of snow in front of that check. The guy's got to get out of the way. Come on, baby, don't slow down. You gotta move, dude. Oh my goodness. There's stuff right there.
How is he gonna get a hole through this?
How are we gonna get a hole through that?
Oh my god.
We're gonna spend more time getting here and getting back than we got to do fishing.
He has a long ways to go.
Yeah. Right now we're currently actually waiting for the road to be plowed because it's impassable. So hopefully they get out here with their V-plow and start pushing some snow. But in the meantime, we'll be chilling in the ice house. Well, we're off. 2.5 hours later, a lot of plow trucks, a lot of digging. You've been a beast, Mille, but it's been fun. So that concludes Mille. It was a great experience and honestly something totally new and fun that we've never done anything like. So
A journey.
yeah, and between rattle wheels, tip up, iFish Pro, and jigging, I'd say we had a well-rounded catch of walleyes, so, and some solid walleyes, healthy
Nice
looking
fish.
fish. So got to give a big shout out to Joe for having us come out here.
Oh, thanks for coming. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, put in a ton of work. I mean, he was digging out the truck constantly as we were trying to get places to to fish, to get the shack off. I mean, it's been nothing but a struggle, but that's being outdoors. So thanks for watching this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week.